Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please like and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to click on that bell icon to get video updates. So today guys, I bring to you a delicacy that so many Ugandans look forward to before the year ends. Have you tasted grasshoppers yet? Are these insects? I don't know, but eating insects as a snack is not a common practice in many countries, and so some may find it weird. But in Uganda, many people enjoy eating grasshoppers, commonly known as Nsenene in the Luganda language. So guys, I didn't use any cooking oil because don't add cooking oil because these insects get to produce their own oil, which is used to frying them. They are fried with their own fat. So don't add any cooking oil. You just have to add salt and some onions to them. You can also add green pepper if you want, just to spice up the taste. Yeah. And by the way, how do you prepare it at home? First, we pluck off wings and legs from each one to avoid choking. Yeah, to avoid choking because oh Jesus, oh Jesus, oh Jesus. So guys, we added onions. I added onions to spice it up. Trust me, this is considered to be the most delicious Ugandan foods and are seasonally harvested in March, April, May, November, and December. So guys, I had to reduce on the charcoal because the heat was too much. And they were burning. So guys, we have to cook or fry them until they would lose their water and start changing their color to golden brown. Yes, it has to be golden brown and very crunchy. So guys, it's ready. Thank you guys for watching.